These are I'm an awesome fan from the United States of America and all over the globe. This is for kitchen gardening. Kitchen garden. Now there's heavy rainfall. We are having heavy rainfall in Islamabad, Pakistan. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. I'm showing because now the rain has started. There is a heavy rainfall. There's lots of floods. There is a threat of lots of floods. You can see these vegetables are stink, are wet. Their roots are full of water right now. And Ahmed Riyad Khan, go Tiger. You take good care of your family and friends. I'm Ahmed Riyad Khan signing out, go Tiger. You take good care of your family and friends.